up? NY, what's up? Worldwide, what's up? I wake up, spark the blunt, contemplate on what I want. Cold cut, slicing up my speaker like a butcher, son. Iron lungs, white smoke like fish come from Colombians. Meditating, keep positive like a Buddhist monk. My niggas keep the peace by their side, they ain't the only one. Keep it in my dome, peaceful thoughts in my home. It's hard to keep things steady with the world always moving. It's hard to trust females when these hoes trying to use them. My niggas said remember your morals and what you stand for. The game is a devil, a soul snatcher, always want more. Agreed as my ash hit his dashboard. Said I'ma buy my cash more. Niggas keeping pieces like jigsaws. Catch me bumping bass, shaking up floorboards. Sawhorse, pussy shake when I make the kitty purr. Why you tryna buy fur to impress her? I'm feeling it, killing it. On your sheet, she dripping it, nigga. QB, what's up? NY, what's up? Worldwide, what's up? What's up? Back to the business, my words catch nerves, so I know that you feel this. Nigga, this the realest. All flows mastered like whips and mixed bastards. Ollie jab cadence, delivery at its greatest. Fuck a 9 to 5, boy, I'm out here trying to make it. Take it, flip words until I see commas. No llamas, I pack the knowledge of a scholar. Young king looking for a crown or a dollar. No fathers, we let the street niggas guide us. Losing my religion lately, feeling godless. All I see is violence and fake shit on my TV. All I see is violence and fake shit in these damn streets. Only making it if I swim in the mainstream. Drowning in the real, a victim. If you ask me, a victim, cause the rap gods ain't happy. Rap game on, motherfucker, I'm past peace. QB, what's up? NY, what's up? Worldwide, what's up? What's up? QB, what's up? NY, what's up? Worldwide, what's up? I'm ready for my calling, betting on my life, and you know I'm going all in. Every last cent, every check for my employment, every dream I wrote, every line I put my all in. With every single breath that I take on the daily, I exhale stress so it comes back really. Really, I will raps on the way to the deli. Now I'm in the booth and I'm smoked out heavy. Same niggas who said niggas wouldn't listen. Out here now trying to be my competition, but competition means that it might happen. Only way I win it if I stop rapping. QB, what's up? NY, what's up? Worldwide, what's up? What's up? What's up? QB, what's up? NY, what's up?
Shit, boy. Smiley, 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 smiley. Can't get enough. Whoosh, whoosh, join the squad, nigga. When I'm pulling, nigga, I back. Smiley, turn up, squad. All this money in my pocket, cause I'm lit, All this money in my pocket, cause I'm lit. I bust my money dance, now she on my dick. I bust my money dance, now she on my dick. But who them boys right there, the Rush Riders? I blew that, you can smile that. But who them boys right there, the Rush Riders? I blew that, you can smile that. Man, all this money in my pocket, bitch, I'm lit. Ain't got squad, genuine, we the shit. How many niggas just nine, what they say? And free my hockers on my highs with the shits. Now let me tell you who is not with the shits. The other side is they ain't ride ever since. I'm genuine, bitch, I'ma ride with a gun. I'm genuine, bitch, I'ma die with my gun. But all this money in my pocket, watch it blowin'. I do my dance on the beam, bitch, I'm rollin'. All this money in my pocket, watch it blowin'. She bust a dance on my dick and bust it up and squat. All this money in my pocket, cause I'm lit, All this money in my pocket, cause I'm lit. I bust my money dance, now she on my dick. I bust my money dance, now she on my dick. But who them boys